shine.
The story of this landscape begins about 400 million years ago.
So I'm back to the big camera right now. What was that, Laura?
I think kasi kailangan 4x4.
Then, after a
We'll search it tonight.
period of time,
And the chemical case. I think, yeah, the car's good. I think the car's okay.
caves.
Look at those trees. Awesome.
There are between 600 and 1,000 caves.
This is the golden hour. This is when the gold is the hour. The golden hour. There you go. I love the golden hour. It's the best hour for photographers and videographers. But yeah, simply it's just pleasing to the eye. Anyway, we're still driving, heading to one of the waterfalls right now. Oh no, my Wi-Fi died again! For safety, do not run without turning or retreat slowly. If the bird becomes aggressive, place a solid object such as a tree behind yourself. Yeah, boy. Careful with cassowaries. They're like, yeah. Okay. We came here late, so it's kind of dark now. You can see it's really dark in real life. You can see it's gonna be noisy, but this place is good. Yes, this is great. Gotta hurry up. It's really getting dark now. What? Something just flew there. Could be a bird. Yeah. So we're heading down now. It's getting dark, but we're trying to go to the waterfalls now. The waterfall, and there's more. Swimming hole down there. So yeah, it's really getting dark now. But just because of the trees. Yeah, there's a swimming hole over there, and yeah, you can pass by here for the swimming hole.
Are we gonna go in?
We can just go down here. We'll just check this place. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be turning around, right?
Yeah.
You don't like the water.
No, it's okay.
Let's take a photo of you. Maybe there.
Saan ako ulit?
That's it. So yeah, this is another waterfall that we just passed by. We don't have much time, it's getting dark, so we're gonna move into the crater right now. So yeah, here we go. Nagano na ako.
Nagawas na ako.
So yeah, we're on the Mount Hypipamee National Park, and the waterfalls is so good, but it's getting late, and we might come across cassowaries and get beaten up again. Anyway, we're heading home now. I mean, we're heading to our accommodation, and we'll be back tomorrow. Look at the place. It's getting dark. It's really getting dark. It's getting cold also. Oh well. Let's go back to the green freaking car. There you go. Okay, that's their theater. They have a movie there. That's their theater. And there's a movie there. They're watching a movie. And so far, most of the things are closed. So, yeah, we're looking for food, but everything in this small town is closed. So we're heading back to the hotel now, or accommodation that we have. Yeah, we're doing that. accommodation. Where's the light switch? Bedroom is fine, but there's a stove. Coolio. TV. So trying to close the curtains for privacy. And yep. So yeah, I'm gonna cook dinner. Just a few dinner. There's a fridge here. But we'll be quick. We'll be leaving early tomorrow. So yeah, gotta end the vlog today. Long day, not that much though, but it's awesome. Chilled. Tomorrow will be a lot of waterfalls. We'll do our best. So, ciao for now. We're gonna have pomelo for tonight. Yeah, just grab it and then crush it in my hand, and then it opened up. No, actually, I opened up the peeling. Yeah. That's it.